मौलाना को इंग्लिश नहीं आती।
Start with the great name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and most beneficent, the Lord of the world, the Master of the day after, the Creator of everything in all universes. And peace and salutation be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has brought us from darkness into the brightness and guided us the right way of life. Respectable teacher, faithful judges, my dear madrasa fellows, kind regards to all. Today, the topic of my speech is biography of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So I am very excited to get a chance to share a few words about Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his great message to the world. Respected chief guest, there was a time when the entire world was covered in the darkness of inhuman oppression, polytheism, superstition, sedition and corruption. When the world was engulfed in the darkness of ignorance, when a human being was not considered a human being,